Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ielts. I'm RAMAN VIRK, your Ielts trainer. Today going to discuss about Ielts most easiest module, that is listening. In this video, I will explain how much time it consumes, how many questions and parts are there. Moreover, I will also tell you what will you hear in the Ielts exam exactly. Along with this, how much time you will get in real exam for transferring your answers to answer sheet. Let's start with the lecture. Firstly, there are mainly 4 parts, which is widely known as sections in Ielts listening module, as well as count of questions are 40 in total, which is further divided into 4 parts with 10 questions in each part. Each session is a little more difficult than the previous one. Further, in Ielts listening test, you will get 10 minutes at the end of your test in order to transfer your answer from the question paper to the answer sheet. Spelling is most important because it will affect your band score if there is any little mistake you have made. Moreover, one good thing about this module is that you can write either in capital or small letters. However, I personally recommend you to write all words in capital letters to avoid any uncertainty. Apart from this, in listening test, you will hear the recording once only. Nobody can repeat it if you miss anything, so be focused on it. However, as I mentioned you earlier that there are mainly 4 sessions. Now you need not worry about it because I am going to explain all these things in the forthcoming part. So students, what would you hear exactly in the listening exam? In your first part of listening, you will hear a conversation between 2 people. For example, finding out information about travel, some restaurant inquiry and many more. Then in second part, there will be a monologue on a general topic. For example, a radio broadcast. Afterwards, you may hear a dialogue between 2 or 3 people on an academic context. For example, discussing an assignment and many more things. Moreover, last one is also a monologue on an academic context. For example, a lecture from a tutor of a university. Eventually students, there are different types of questions you will encounter in your real exam. If you want to get detailed description of each of the different question type, then you need to comment in the comment section. I will definitely make a separate video on it. Now it's my humble request to all of you, kindly subscribe my channel in order to get latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.